Hello everyone, my name is Anuj and few days ago I've posted a video on my channel in which I've discussed a very basic meditation so that your mind can become ready for the Vipassana meditation, which is a very advanced meditation. And in today's video I will go one step further. I will teach you a little bit advanced meditation than the basic one so that your mind can become focused enough to do Vipassana meditation properly. Because for Vipassana a very focused mind is required. So in today's video, I will tell you about that advanced meditation, but don't do this meditation directly. Do the basic level first. The link of that video is in the description below. So let's start today's video. First, you have to understand what this meditation is all about. So the purpose of this meditation is to develop a single pointed concentration. And when I say pointed, I mean very pointed, very sharp level of concentration you have to develop. So for doing this meditation, you just have to sit in a comfortable position. Currently, I'm sitting on a chair. You can also sit on a chair or you can also sit on the floor. Doesn't matter. And just keep your back and neck straight like this. Now, gently close your eyes and bring your attention to this small part, this small area. Earlier in the basic meditation, we were focusing on this bigger part, this bigger area. But now you just have to focus on this small area, the beginning of your nose and this upper lip area. That's all you have to observe. What you will observe in this area. So you have to watch two things. First is your breath. See, when you breathe in, when you breathe out, the oxygen comes and goes out through this way. So it will definitely touch somewhere. Maybe it will touch your nostrils or it will touch anywhere on the upper lips. So you have to know where that touches. So know where the breath is touching your body. Now, apart from watching your breath, you have to watch one more thing, and it is any other kind of physical sensation. Like you might feel some kind of itching in this area, or some kind of tingling, or maybe you will feel some kind of heat because the outside environment is very hot, or you have eaten something very spicy, and in the same way you can feel some kind of coldness. So this is all that you have to observe. First is your breath, where the breath is touching your body, and the second is any other kind of physical sensation. Finally, there is one last thing that I want to discuss with you about this meditation, and it is for how long you have to practice this meditation. See, this meditation is a little bit deep and intense, so it will require a little bit more practice than the basic one. So I would say practice this meditation for 25 hours. So if you meditate 1 hour every day, then 25 days are enough to practice this meditation, but practice it every day, and then only your mind will develop that ability to focus on a single point. So this was all about the meditation, but like I said earlier in my video, don't practice this meditation directly. Do the basic level meditation first and then only practice this meditation. The link of the basic level meditation is in the description below. You can watch that video from there. So this is all. Now if you have any other question or doubt in your mind, then you can ask me in the comment section below. Or if you want to support me, then you can join this channel and become a member. And thank you so much for listening to me.